Hi everybody, welcome to Creative Pouring by Cheryl. I'm Cheryl. I've got a new mold today. It's that love mold that stands up. I'm going to put some pretty flowers in it. I've already got my resin mixed up. It's the Teexpert. So I'm going to put a little bit of the blue in the bottom of it. That way it will it'll help me from keeping it from yellowing. It's my Pigment Sky Blue. I'm just going to put a drop or two in it is all. Just enough to keep it from yellowing. Okay. You know that if you put a little tiny bit of blue in your clear, it'll help from the yellow, help it from going yellow. Let's go ahead and pour some in here. And since this is backwards, we got to build it from the bottom up, which is no big deal. So whatever's on the bottom is going to be the front of it. I'm just going to pour all this in, most of it anyway. And I'm going to take one of my sticks and go around the edges, because you see those bubbles. See those bubbles there? Get those out of there. Make sure there's none that are sticking to the edges. See, I just want to run around the edge, the 90-degree angles there, and get those bubbles out. That way they'll float to the surface. And then you can use 91% or higher alcohol to spray it. Where'd you go? I had it sitting right here. You ever had one of those days where you had everything set up and then you can't find a thing? Oh wait, that comes with moving. I've moved recently. So with everything, you can't find anything. Where'd you go? It was right here. Dang it. Well, I can't find it. I hate days like that. Oh well. But I do have something almost as good. I have my long neck glider that I can pop the bubbles with. Okay. Let's go ahead and get out the flowers and start putting the design in. I got these pretty yellow flowers that I think will be beautiful in here. We'll push them all the way down in there so they're covered and hope they don't fly. I don't like that flower. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through this part so you don't have to watch me, or so you don't have to sit there and be bored. But I'll fast forward through it. All right, I'll be back to film putting the backing on it. I think I'm going to do a green backing on this. I think that would be beautiful. And I will be back when I'm ready to do it. Well, that's cured enough to where I can add more to it. I've already got my resin mixed up. It's still my Teexpert. I'm going to use some of this green alcohol ink in here. Make it kind of dark, but not super dark. See how this turns out. A little bit darker than that. You don't want to use a lot. Only when you're using liquid, you only want to use 10% or less of the resin because it won't cure correctly if you don't. Let me stir this up real good. I know I got a lot of bubbles in there. Yeah. Okay, that should do good. Go ahead, and I see something dark in there I don't want in there. All right, let's go ahead and pour this in the back. This green will look real pretty on the back side of it. Oops. It helps when you put it in there, not on the heart. Let me find one of my micro brushes. And I will get all these bubbles, try to get these bubbles out of here. All I'm doing is going around the edges with it. Sorry if it was out of camera view. I just noticed it. Thought I had it over far enough, but I guess not. Okay. All right, I will be back to you when this is cured. Hi everybody, it's demolding day. Let's go ahead and get this out of here. I am so curious to see what it looks like. This is a brand new mold I got from Micheals. I went to Micheals the other day and found this in the clearance section for a couple dollars, like $3 or something like that. So yeah, I had to get it. I found this one and I found one that said home. So I'm excited about doing that one too, especially since I just moved. That wasn't hard to demold. Got a little bit of cleanup to do, not much. But here we go. Oh, that turned out lovely. See, look at those flowers. Not very many bubbles. Just a few, but nothing that's going to interfere with it. But that's gorgeous. Well, thanks for watching. Thank you so much to all my subscribers, new and the ones that I've had for a while. Thank you so much for joining me. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. It doesn't cost anything. Hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber. That too doesn't cost anything, but they really do help my channel when you do that. And go ahead and give me a comment. Let me know what you think of the green and the yellow put together. I really like it myself. So thank you so much for watching, and I will get some really good pictures of it. And we will see you next time. Bye for now.